Welcome to another video on building virtual real estate in the metaverse. This is the Brave browser that I'm on, and today I'm going to be discussing and showing you guys how to set up something called the Sandbox. Now, if we go to CoinMarketCap and we have a look at the price of sand, it's currently sitting at 0.5108. There's a number of ways to make money from these platforms. Now, just bear in mind, I'm not a financial advisor. I'm not giving you guys any financial advice. I am basically following, and this needs to be a full disclaimer, something that I'm passionate about in this space when it comes to digital marketing, Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and gaming. I see potential here, and that is why I'm speaking about these coins, and that is why I believe investing or putting my money into coins that have a good history with regards to the people that are involved in them. So let's have a look at the Sandbox. Sandbox is a gaming ecosystem, and they have their own token called Sand that you can buy from an online exchange, and Sand is backing up this tokenized economy. The people that are part of this, so I'm going to show you guys step by step how I can sign up. So you've got how you can basically sign up, right? You've got guys like Atari that are on board here. You've got guys like the Smurfs. You've got, this is the land that you can buy. So there's some serious players within the space. There's CoinMarketCap right over here. So if I click on it, I can have a look at visit the site, and this will take me to the CoinMarketCap or the NFTs. There's it over here. So let's get started. Let us go to home, and what we're going to do is, once you've created your profile, you at the bottom left you can build your avatar. So that's what we're going to do now. We're going to build our avatar. You also get a referral link where if you share this link, you get rewarded for people that are buying once off land and estates within the platform, and you're earning sand as well. You can also purchase sand from one of the exchanges. So let's create an avatar quickly. On the avatar, and for the purposes of this video, I'm going to run through this as smoothly as I can, just so that you can follow through and get yourself set up correctly. So let's wait for this to load. I have a number of tabs open. That's why it's lagging a bit. I'm going to close that. Okay, so let's try and find an avatar. Let's do something. Let's see what this looks like. So you can always come back and forth and obviously change stuff as you progress in the game. But for now, we're just going to do something basic. So I'm going to choose a head structure. Then I can choose some clothing for him. Let's go with the jacket. Once we've got the jacket on, we're going to select the pants, and let's go for something robotic. Let's try and make him more robotic and see if that looks good or not. Okay, I'm happy with that. Let's decide. The shoes actually look good as well. I think I'm just going to stick with those shoes. Could change it if I want. The top one is pre-designed. Okay, so now I'm going to save changes. And I can now try it in the game maker. So if I click on game maker, it's going to take me to a page where I can download the game maker. Within this platform, you can create games for free. You can build and share stuff. No coding required. So there's how Sandbox works. This is actually quite interesting, right? Free to play is so 2010. With the Sandbox, you will be able to monetize the games you create. Play to earn is unlocked through our rewarding model for players and creators who will have strong incentives to play and create with rewards that have real world value. So you can earn sand within this ecosystem by playing games to earn rewards, by building games and monetizing them, by creating assets and marketing them. You can market them on platforms like OpenSea, which allows you to trade land as well as different NFTs. Now, these are all the NFTs that you can develop within this platform and you can sell. This is selling for 0.32 Ethereum, and that's currently $1,300. So if you become good at doing this, if you become good at developing these games or developing these properties within these games, that's one way of generating an income. You're going to be earning cryptocurrency for these items, and then you can then convert sand into Bitcoin or any other cryptocurrency and then withdraw it and spend it as well. So let's just see what's the process for downloading. I'm going to click on download. I'm going to download the Windows version, download Game Maker. Let that download. While that's downloading, let's see what else we can find here. If I go to home and I scroll down, I can register for different game experiences. You can just click pre-register once you're logged in and they'll send you the news. I can also, so the avatar aspect of this is essentially, let's see, so all the non-fungible tokens are virtual tokens minted on the blockchain by digital scarcity, security, and authenticity. They are unique, indivisible, and non-interchangeable, allowing true digital ownership of in-game assets. You can buy these assets and you can store this. Where are you going to store this? You're going to store this on your MetaMask wallet. So if you don't already have a MetaMask wallet, I would suggest setting up a MetaMask wallet, and I do have that explained in one of the other videos within this masterclass as well. So now let's go back to the website, and this is still downloading. You can create your own land. A land is a piece of the Sandbox metaverse based on the ERC 721 smart contract that you can buy and use to create game experiences utilizing Sandbox digital assets. So do you see potential in games? If we have to search some of the best-selling games out there, Minecraft ranks #1 with the amount of sales. Grand Theft Auto second, Tetris third, Wii Sports fourth. Now let's have a look at Minecraft. If I were to go to Minecraft, I can see that they have shops, they have characters, they have products. And if you have a look at the ecosystem, so if I go to, let's just go back here, let's go to the actual Minecraft game to download Minecraft. You can see the ecosystem and the stuff that you can buy, the game that you can play. It's all pretty cool. You know, they have a ton of people that have been playing this. You can play, but here's the thing, you're playing for free. All the stuff that you are buying within this platform, that's all for it's all on their ecosystem. You are playing for free. You are buying to develop and to progress within the game, but you own nothing. So that's where decentralization and blockchain technology and cryptocurrency comes into place, because this stuff you own and all of it's stored on your MetaMask wallet. Once you got your MetaMask wallet downloaded and installed, your assets will belong on that wallet. You can buy, trade, swap it, send it to other game economies, and basically move it around, you know. So let's see, we're going to click on open this and install. So let's open that application. Something, is it gone? Okay, something's happening. What else can we discuss here? Okay, click next, or install Sandbox Maker, show details, let that do its thing. Why Sand? Sand is our main utility token that allows you to buy and sell lands and assets in the Sandbox metaverse. So you can buy sand on a number of exchanges. On the Sandbox, create desktop shortcut, yes, finish. Join the community. You can follow them on social media. You can follow them on Twitter, Facebook, YouTube. Have a look at what they are up to. Made with Unity. It's the first time I'm actually doing this for the purpose of recording this video. And to create this training for you guys. So hope you guys are finding a ton of value in this platform. Look, you can get involved with a number of different cryptocurrencies, with a number of different platforms, but why not find something that has a real life user case? Let's log in. Incorrect. If you don't have a username, you can, oh, actually I'm supposed to create one. So let's go and create one. Sign in. I'm going to sign in with my Web 3.0 MetaMask wallet. Install your wallet. Cancel that. Let's go back here. Sign in again. I already have an account. I'm going to log in with wallet. I'm going to log in with MetaMask wallet. So the reason why it's doing this is because I'm on the Google browser. Let's go to the Brave browser and then download and install it here. So now what we're going to do is this needs to be done. It opened the wrong browser by default. It opened my Google Chrome browser when I have my MetaMask installed on the Brave browser. So I need to log in using this platform. And once I'm in here, okay, we're not going to buy land now, but I've already logged in, as you can see. So now what we need to do is we need to go to, we need to look for the builders, the game makers. It's already downloaded. Let's install it. Download game maker, build share. Log in. Well, let's try forgot password, see what happens. Email has been sent. Let's open up that email. Okay, so we are back into the platform. I recovered my password and logged in. Now it's going to take me to what is known as Games Templates Gallery, right? This is within the platform. At the bottom left hand side, I could quit it. At the top, I've got my settings. So let's leave that as is. Let's go to create new, and then I can create such a big piece of land. I can enter the experience there. I'm going to call it social. Let's call it let's just call it social. The theme is going to be, let's go desert. Create. As you can see, this is pretty cool. You are becoming a game developer. You are taking part of the economy. You are part of the gaming ecosystem that's going to allow you to earn. And being an early investor, I'm passionate about this, so I see where this is headed. And if you see the potential in this, if you've always wanted to take advantage of a project that you believed in, and you researched and you understand how the economy is working, why the coins exist, and why if you invest some money in this, it's only at 0.51 cents now. If it goes to $1, $5, $10, what do you think is going to happen with the money that you're putting in? You know, $1,000 at this point in time will give you $2,000 when it turns into a dollar. So now I am on the editor, and I can use this to basically place stuff, to create stuff. I can add, I can save it, I can create my global parameters. If I want to build, say, put lava blocks all the way here. So if you're familiar with how Minecraft works and you want to build and sell stuff, then this is how you're going to get started with this. If you want to play, you simply click on play, and then it'll throw you within this avatar, right? So space is to jump. I can walk around. And this is what I just decided to build here now. Okay, so this is me exploring. Let's inventory, restart settings. Okay, we leave all that as is. I would like to actually exit the space. So that's my sword. How cool is that to fight? That allows you to restart the game. What I want to now do is I can have a look at my inventory. I can press D to drop. Let's go back. Okay, so Alt F4 and then we can quit the game. Alright, so that's building games for the metaverse. Let's go to Vox Edit. Vox Edit allows you to create voxels. Now there are tutorials on this once you are on the platform to understand how it works, right? So let's download the Vox editor for Windows. Download Vox editor. While that's downloading, a little bit about the voxel editor, right? It allows you to create a modeler, so you can build rockets, you can build, if we were to go to, let's go to OpenSea and I show you what you could do. This is a voxel. This is selling for $1,300 US. It's created by the Sandbox game. Under Marketplace, under Virtual Worlds, under the theme or the virtual world that we are visiting is called Sandbox. Okay, so under this section, this is what you are going to see, and these are voxels, newly minted voxels. You can see what this plane is selling for. If you are creative, you can design some pretty cool stuff and sell it. There were 3 owners prior to this. We're going to have a look at that as well. So you can make contact with these people if you would like to purchase it. Alright, so let's go and download the Vox editor. Let us open it. Okay, so we are loaded. Now let's have a look within the modeler. The Sandbox game, A Glitch in the Metaverse. 300,000 Sand in prizes, 186,000 US dollars that have been given away through prizes. So now how do you create a modeler? If you simply click on the left hand side, you'll be able to create your modeler, your animator, the block, the templates. You can go through the tutorials, and this will give you everything that you need in order to get set up with the Vox editor and how to build your Vox. The animator is where you can create your new assets, you can open files, you can import from other platforms. The block is where you create the actual avatar that you are building, and then you can animate it as well. So to understand how that works, you simply watch these tutorials, which will teach you step by step on what's needed to be done with the introduction, the basics, the template animations, how to create animated characters, the animated basics, and then the block editor. So within the Vox editor, you're basically becoming an NFT maker. You are making NFTs that you're willing to sell and trade for other stuff to other people within this ecosystem. And what are artists creating? Restaurants, houses, art, TV racks. And here are just some quotes and testimonials from other voxel artists on how it has impressed them, how they are finding it a game changer, and the promise that it is giving them to revolutionize the industry online, where you can store your information. So if I go back to avatar bottom left here, I can edit the avatar if I wanted to, and I can start acquiring some sand. I've got my inventory. I've got my lands and estates that I would own if I start buying and selling. I've got my avatar created here as well. Right, if we go to the marketplace, you can have a look at the different items that are for sale by different users. So you can do the exact same thing. You can start building NFTs and selling them to people that come into the platform and that want to build. You can create equipment if you want that people can display on their land. Okay, so hope you found value in this. Let's see what happens here. Let's download the socializer and let's actually socialize into the virtual world. Let's have a look at what it's like to play some of this stuff. Okay, so there's a short video of Atari within the ecosystem. So create for free, build and share, no coding required. Okay guys, so I'm going to end the video here, and on the next video I'm going to put together strategies on what you can do in order to start using the Unity game maker to start developing games within Sandbox. Let's just log in here. Let's have a look at some templates. So let's go and browse. Let's just see the gallery. Let's look at Adventure Island. Create from Adventure Island. Let's load that experience. Let's see what we can get up to in the metaverse. Okay, so I'm going to click on play and let's see what happens. Let's load the experience. Okay, so if I go into lava, I will die. Do not go into the lava. Let's fight. So I'm basically earning for hitting this gorilla. And I defeated that. What did I earn for that? So you know, there is a dragon egg on top of that volcano, but I'm scared of lava. Let's go climb it and see. She must be meant the one on top there. Okay, so this is how the game works. You gotta get used to it. Alt F4 to exit and